This is the setup for doing propane. By this adapter, it's got one end goes in a big tank, the other small end is the same as these bottles, so it can go in the bottom of your torches. I'll show you the difference between these. This is the normal one that comes propane torch when you buy a bottle of that little kit, and this is the Bernzomatic TS8000. It's the biggest one they make that throws out the most gas. I'll show you the difference between them. Here's that MAP gas I was talking about that burns hotter than propane, but it's more expensive. These things are currently $58, $59 at Lowe's, Home Depot. Here's that propane adapter hose. It's $25. Here's the flame on the little pencil tip. It's good for small close-in work. Work, it just takes a while. Now the 8000, I really like this start button. It makes it a lot more convenient. Easy start. I wanted to see how fast I could get this steel screw up to red hot. So that's a brass brazing rod. That's pretty good. Could get some work done with that, but as you can tell, my skills aren't that great.